Zimbabwe's corridors of power shook yesterday as a long simmering feud between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga erupted into a dramatic cabinet clash over sweeping constitutional reform that could reshape the nation's political future. Sarapina mashikubudanya kwa pamwe na chin's cabinet war, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga in explosive showdown over 2030 power grip. And one subscriber or like on the bell icon. Tipina na mobudanya kwa mchinsi. At the center of the storm is the controversial constitutional amendment number 3, Bill of 2026, a far-reaching proposal that would extend Mnangagwa's term by 2 years beyond the current 2028 limit, pushing his tenure to 2030. Even more explosively, the reforms would scrap the direct popular vote for president, handing Parliament the power to choose the next head of state. What began as a routine cabinet meeting quickly spiraled into a tense, no-holds-barred confrontation, exposing deep fractures within the ruling ZANU-PF party. Ministers aligned to rival factions openly are squared off as the Mnangagwa-Chiwenga power grip reached boiling point. Justice Minister Ziyambi tabled the bill, arguing the changes would guarantee political stability and policy continuity while ending the cycles of disputed elections. Local government minister Daniel Garwe, a vocal Mnangagwa ally, threw his weight behind the proposals, declaring them the logical fulfillment of resolutions adopted at the parliamentary conference. Energy Minister July Moyo and Education Minister Toderai Moyo echoed his support, but Chiwenga hit back fiercely. In an emotionally charged intervention, the former Army General warned that stripping citizens of the right to directly elect their president betrayed the core ideals of the liberation struggle. He argued the amendment go far beyond the party's 2030 resolution and amount to a fundamental overhaul of Zimbabwe's constitutional order. Chiwenga found backing from Sports Minister Anselm Sanyatwe, another key figure in the 2017 military intervention that ushered Mnangagwa into office. Defense Minister Opamchunguri Kashiri reportedly fired back, reminding the room that liberation war was not fought by a selective few. The showdown follows an earlier attempt to introduce the bill in December 2025, which Chiwenga blocked on procedural grounds, with the succession tensions rising and 2030 looming large. Yesterday's explosive cabinet battle signals that Zimbabwe's political contest is no longer simmering quietly, but closed doors. It is now out in the open, with the stakes higher than ever. Doma developments aripo ezvirikuitika munyika yeZimbabwe. Pana comment section medu dzafungura aimot kudipa mzoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.